Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. I'm back again with easy tutorial video. Logging in DeltaCareer page is quite easy. Without any delay, let's start the video. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Search for DeltaCareer. Type DeltaCareer login into the search bar and press enter. You should see a link to the official DeltaCareer page in the search result. Navigate to DeltaCareer page. Click on the link to access the DeltaCareer page. Look at the sign in section. Once you are on the DeltaCareer page, look for the sign in or login option. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password. Enter your username and password in the appropriate field. If you are a new user, you may need to register by clicking on sign up, and if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to log into your DeltaCareer account. Complete the security verification if required. For enhanced security, you may be prompted to complete a security verification process, such as entering one-time verification code sent to your email or phone number. Once logged in, you'll have access to your DeltaCareer account. You can browse available job openings, update your profile, and apply for positions that interest you. That's it. You have successfully logged into your DeltaCareer account. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for future contents.